we're going into a situation where the Labour Party has dropped the ball and the economy is weak and is just struggling along. But we understand what it takes to build a strong economy so our people can be wealthy, our people can reach their hopes and dreams.
Jamaica, time coming up, time come, the date has finally announced. Everybody come vote for Mark Golding. Because for your fist, we have the hand, because walk around, district carton, because PNP, because PNP, because.
The system is not right, and the system needs to fix. And it's the People's National Party, the party of Norman Washington Manley, the party of Michael Joshua Manley, the party of PJ Patterson and Portia Lucretia Simpson Miller and Dr. Peter David Phillips, and I man, the one them call Marky G. We are gonna fix the system. Power to the people, power. Yeah man.
Time coming up, time come, the date has finally announced. Everybody come vote for Mark Golding. Because for your fist, we have your hand, because walk around, district carton, because PNP, because PNP, because PNP, because for your fist, we have your hand, because time come, we have your hand, because PNP, because PNP, because hey, the other day Mark walk around in all over town, everybody come out and just gather around in the all night. Everything was a beautiful sight. The other day Mark take a walk down a Manchester, they never know so much PNP. They don't get them in the all night. Everything was alright. PNP, we got some. Fold your fist, raise your hand, we got some. Walk round, district carton, we got some. PNP, we got some. PNP, we got some. We got some. We got some. We got some. We got some.
After 9 years of Labour Party rule, the people of Jamaica are fed up. They are disgusted with the government. They are disgusted with leadership which can prove itself to be worthy of our trust and confidence. We have a Prime Minister whose own personal finances and the declarations he has filed cannot be certified by the country's Integrity Commission. It's a shame and disgrace on Jamaica to have a leader in government in that situation. He's even taking the Integrity Commission to court to strike down the very law that was passed under his government, even though it's we designed it and we brought it to Parliament originally. But it was passed by him and his government. The commissioners were put in place under his government, and he is trying to strike down the law itself that establishes the Integrity Commission. In other words, he is trying to use the courts of Jamaica to undermine the anti-corruption framework of Jamaica, including the offense of illicit enrichment for which he is being investigated. As my brethren Damon Crawford would say, what can go so?
Jamaica, time coming up, time come, the date has finally announced. Everybody come vote for Mark Golding.
Yes, Jamaicans, get ready for vote for Mark Golding and the PNP. I want you to hit that like button, students. Share the video with 5 of your friends. Share the video with everybody. Make everybody see that the people are welcoming Mark Golding with open arms. So the People's National Party and Mark Golding has officially kicked off election 2025 road tour. We know that Andrew Holness is about to call the election. He wants to call it, he's afraid to call it. But time come, everybody, time come. Time come for vote for Mark Golding. Hit the like button, share this with your family, share this with a friend, make the whole world see it. Say time come to get rid of Mr. 28 and him bank account. I will want you to watch the video to the end because you got to hear some whole heap of things stack up. You got to hear some message. The PNP is ready. Hit the like button, share it, time come.
And because
a run deep. We're gonna give them a whopping. Comrades, and how we going to whop them? We have to come out and make sure so we put the X at the right place. It doesn't make any sense to stay home. Comrades, we need deliverance now. We are feeling the pinch. And we have a leader. And we sure know that leader is coming home. So we want to be a part of this movement. And we know that we are going to do it. Comrade, do you believe so? Comrade, I'm putting our MP before you. And I use this opportunity to say our MP because it's my MP. Because if me not need no MP, if nobody not need me, can tell you, say, me, Vivi, need a MP. I don't have none. But guess what? You see me cartoon, me know some is a rose among thorn. And me already know say no weapon that form against me will prosper. Me just ask my MP for forward. Forward, Peter King. Forward. Sir Peter King, I can't speak about Harborview. I can't speak about Garden Town. I can't speak about Dallas. But me say Kentire, I feel the pinch. We are feel the pinch. But them have a leader who not fear no fall. Solid as a rock. Are willing to take it to them. So we are depend upon you. Because your name Peter and Peter is powerful. Upon this rock. Don't preach it, don't preach it, don't preach it. But look here. Kintaya, we're ready. We're ready. Because look here. Don't bother believe in a half a week now. But here why me not say nothing. The other side of the road me down because I'm full of substance. If them not running it down up there. Look here. You do not even know. Sleepless night. May I take it to them. And we are going to take it to them. Look here. We are going to win it. We asked our MP for forward. And we are going to get him. We want him. We need him. Because look here. Pressure bus pipe. Are we under the weather?
I don't want to think about insurance. My passion in my business is building. That's why I recommend Next Insurance. I'm Jerry.
Look here. You know not even see what I go on because they not see nothing yet in there. So they see me come. I pay Latin. I pay talking. Look here now, comrade. You do not even know. Look here. We party nice. We have a powerful leader. We have a powerful leader and him heart clean. A man of integrity. And every day I tell you, you say if a pastor jumpy, the congregation jumpy. So look here, it's because we leader clean, transparency, we're full of that. Comrades, don't bother give me the lele and the mouth. I ask them to come out. You say if you never used to talk to your neighbor, talk to your neighbor. Because we need the vote. I want to big up my neighbor, Darrington Ferguson. Look here, we work together as one. Paul Meads, we're going to take it to them. My brothers and
we want them know that we are going to take the hills. You understand me? When we look at Oliver Close, Oliver whole Harborview, and him have to go hold it for me. I say, Vivian, we do a whole heap of work in Kintyre, and you're working like hell in Kintyre right now. So you have to hold off Kintyre. And I don't care what them do down there, the people will know that PNP time in Kintyre. But when we look to the hills, we are going to show them that we are going to hold the hills. And I hear Damien curse because him said them call him goat man. Because him promised the people goat in Portland. And him said them never call Andrew donkey man. When him give the woman donkey, somewhere in central Jamaica. But I can tell you, me get jealous and I want to have a nickname too. And when I bust Juliet ass in East Rural St. Andrew, I want, and when we win the Mavis Bank division, I wanted to call me Hillsman. Because I'm going to take over the hills. I know it's my town.
Murder. Hills, man, my viewers and subscribers, that is Patrick Peter King, and he's the person running for East Rural St. Andrew, the PNP candidate. He's going up against Juliet Holness. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. And the man say him jealous because when Damien promised the people him goat, them call him goat, man. And when Andrew give the woman donkey, them never call him donkey, man. But him say him want a name too. And him say when him fix Juliet business up in the hills, him wanted to call him Hillsman. Everybody type Hillsman. Call him Hillsman. You understand? And prophesy and put it into being. My viewers and subscribers, and preach it into being. Everybody type Hillsman. Juliet, your big foot not going to save you. You must come down. Hit the like button for me, my viewers and subscribers, and listen to the rest of the message. PNP nice, you know. PNP really nice. Murder.
It's a historic year for the People's National Party. I personally have a connection with East Rural St. Andrew because my father built a little house right at a place named Breezy Hill. When you reach Linda's Gap, you turn left and you go along like you're going Constitution Hill. And there's a house right there, Breezy Hill, my family house. And every weekend, as a little youth, my mother and father would carry me and my sister up to spend the weekend right there. In those days, there was no light in the district. My father had a Delco generator. You used to have to crank it to start it. And we used to rate him because it looked heavy for crank it. And he could crank it, you know. And it could run the fridge and too light. And then PNP bring the rural electrification program. And light reach the district. And light all over. That's why we say power to the people. Power. Yeah, man.
Power to the people, Mark Golden say. You hear that? A PNP bring the light to the people. PNP from as early as Wapikill Philip, the PNP has always been putting in the measures in place to help poor people. If a light, a PNP. If a land, a PNP. Talk the truth, no student. If a house, a PNP. If a education, a PNP. The PNP has a track record that they have been the one who have always done the most for the Jamaican people. If I am talking the truth, talk and say yes, I try. And if I lie, me I tell. Type and say I lie, me I tell. I wanted to hit the like button and watch the video to the end and share this with everybody because it is known that the PNP loves Jamaica and cares for Jamaica and help Jamaica the most. And JLP, I walk, I tell like my viewers and subscribers, I have to get them out. 2025, we have to get them out. Listen to the rest of the message and like and share the video. Let's.
Yes. PNP business suite. Comrades, are you all ready? Comrades, it is time for this woman to leave his rural St. Andrew alone.
My viewers subscribers, do you agree with the comrade? Do you agree with the comrade that it is time for this woman to leave East Rural St. Andrew alone? Is which woman I'm talking about? If you know is which woman I'm talking about, please type her name in the comments. She done rich already, you know. She a billionaire, you know. One apartment complex where she do a $800 billion, you know, and she in a court because it is alleged. So she take the woman land and say it's fair one. So she in a court for take people land, it is alleged, and her man in a court for one shut up people about illicit enrichment. They said people them when put in, you know, input in the people them say yes, make sure say nobody now get illicit enrichment, and when them check him out and find out say him a get illicit enrichment, him a take them to court. Hit the like button for me, student. Listen to the rest of the message. Judge.
And you know, Comrade Prime Minister in waiting, last night I struggled. And this morning I say to my leaders, I cannot make it. My nurse said to me, Oliver, stay home and rest. But I tell myself that I have to come and talk to you people tonight. I tell myself that no one else can deliver the message but Oliver Clue. Comrade Chairman Ian, Comrade Prime Minister to be, Comrade Julian. I know when I want some funds and all of that, we have to run to Comrade Julian, a man who knows how to solve complex matters. My colleague councillors, Sister Vivian from the Kintyre Division, and I know I have my councillor colleagues around. I am going to address Comrade Peter King later down in my presentation and let you all know. In 1993, when I end up as Member of Parliament in Mavis Bank, I recall from church, Cross Road, down to Mount Charles. I remember Mr. Morrison premises when you all have to walk with 2 pair of shoes. Comrades, I recall when I look at this center down there, we had no roof. And comrade, thanks to the People's National Party, we end up giving you a highway from church down to Mount Charles, go around to Mr. Sunpat. We end up giving the people village rural electrification program. And we end up where we spend $2 million to put roof on Norman Manley Center.
PNP, we got some. For the fist, we have the and we got some. Time come, we have the and we got some. PNP, we got some. PNP, we got some. Hey, the other day, Mark Walker running all over town. Everybody come out and us. You're not around in the all night. Everything was a beautiful sight. The other day, Mark take a walk down to Manchester. They never know so much PNP. Live down here, they the all night. Everything was alright. PNP, we got some. Fold your fist, raise the hand, we got some. Walk round, district carton, we got some. PNP, we got some. PNP, we got some. We got some. Fold your fist, raise the hand, we got some. Walk round, district carton, we got some. Time come, we got some.
So yes, my viewers and subscribers, that was the PNP first road tour, the very, very first road tour. And if you like how it sounds, tell me. Type in the comments and tell me what you think about the very first road tour. Yes, man, at the very first one that, and tell me what you think about the messages. You like how the messages sound, you understand? Talk to me and tell me exactly what you think, my viewers and subscribers. And I want to big up Current Spencer. Big up Current Spencer and the whole BOJ family. You know what them bring, they are everything, my viewers and subscribers, so we can get it live. So big up Current Spencer. Big up Current Spencer and the whole BOJ TV family, you see me? Big them up, man, cause them go so boops and dead and say, see what go on there, you see me? So big up Current Spencer and the whole BOJ TV, and it's a good look for the PNP. Good look. If it's a good look student type, good look. If you think it's a good look type, good look. Get ready because the PNP is coming. The PNP is coming, my viewers and subscribers. Hit the like button. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Basic up on yourself, Jamaica.
We go so. And the world Jamaica say, Margolin. Everybody step out and vote in Margolin. We say, alright. We celebrate for the all night. Jamaica, you know see the country, it now run right. Everybody shout out, Margolin time. We say, alright. Right now we must go set things right. Put language and go so. Fold your fist, raise your hand, go so. Walk round, district or town, we go so. Westmoreland, go so. Hanover, go so. Wave your hand, in the air and go so. Walk around, in the town and go so. Margolin, go so. Dayton, go so. Big go so.